back to the Real World Garage. We're out here today with my son's 91 GMC Sonoma project. We're not quite up to doing the 350 swap on it yet, but we're just trying to keep it going for now, and we're going to do an exhaust swap on it. We recently had to cut the exhaust off before it fell off. This is the original factory tailpipe and exhaust, and somebody had replaced a muffler at some point, so we're going to replace it today with a 24-inch 18-inch good old classic cherry bomb, and try to keep him getting pulled over from the cops. So y'all come along. Okay, first order of business is we're going to try to reclaim as many of the original factory hanging brackets. Whenever you're building an exhaust, the biggest problem you usually run into is being able to hang it easily. So if you can stick with the factory hanging brackets, you come out ahead. So we're going to work on getting all this apart, and then we'll come back in a few minutes and start laying the exhaust out under the truck. Alright guys, that's a little lesson in personal protective equipment. I should have safety glasses on. Cannot lay my hands on some right now, but I will be finding some very soon, here in the next few minutes. Don't know if you've ever had a wheel explode on you, but they do explode. This one got in a bind and went to pieces. Wear your personal protective equipment. Might save you from going for a hospital visit. Alright guys, you can see I went and found some real safety glasses. They're old, but they work. These are good old school. I think my dad had these when he worked at the shipyard a long time ago. They're still good safety glasses. They still work. Hearing protection and gloves. So anyway, put my spectacles back in so I can see. We've got, still warm, got all of our mounting hardware off that we can use to hang this muffler and exhaust system back on the truck. I've already started trial fitting a few pieces to the new stuff. So we're going to go under and start laying it out, and when we get a handle on how we're going to run it, we'll bring you back. Alright, well, we've got under the truck and we've got everything starting to lay it out. If we're going to clamp it here, we were able to find a piece of decent, it does have surface rust on it, but I think it's going to clean up. It's thick wall exhaust pipe. We were able to scavenge another piece from, came off my other son's 68 Ford Country sedan. We were able to scavenge an old piece off of it. We got an adapter here, and we're able to use one of the factory hangers. Is going to work out perfect right here, and we were able to use one of the other factory hangers in the back of the muffler there, so it'll be held on in 1, 2, 3 places right fairly close together, so it's going to be secure. And now we just have to get to doing some grinding and some welding, and we'll bring you back in just a few minutes. Alright, we've got everything mocked up. I'm going to go ahead and tack a few things in place so we can actually bring it out from underneath the truck and then weld it out here where I can get a good bead all the way around. I go get my handheld shield. Hard to see. Let's see.
That's pretty good tack. Let's see if I can get another one. Oh, getting on a target here. It's the trouble with trying to weld upside down. Go in there and grab my handheld. Boy, that feels good.
Smells good too.
I love the smell of burning hair. Hair and flesh. I don't like the smell of burning hair and flesh. Alright. Nothing else. I know where it's tacked. I can put it back. Shouldn't be a big deal. Let's see if we can get it out of here. Oh, of course it broke free.
We know where to put it though.
I know where to sit it. Should be fine.
Okay, we're gonna have to do a little sizing on this new pipe where we go into this reclaimed pipe. I don't know if you can see right there, but there is a pretty good gap in here. So instead of trying to fill that up with weld metal, I'm gonna take and put some slits and I'm gonna walk it and tap it down so that it fits this older pipe a little better and I can get a better fit on it. I did the same thing pretty much with this bracket right here. I was able to weld this side on, and then this side was going to be way off the pipe, so I just took it and tapped it down to where it made a nice tight fit to the pipe and you get a better weld joint. So we're going to cut this and get it fitted. All right, we got the pipe fitting back together. Got it where it's a little tighter now. We're going to go ahead and weld it up. Oh, really?
All right, as you can see, we've got it all buttoned up and finalized. We were able to put a clamp on here, and we were able to come along and weld all of our other joints together. We were able to weld on the factory style exhaust hangers here and back there. And if we ever should need to take the exhaust off, we can just release this clamp and one of the clamps in the back, and the whole exhaust system will come down in just a couple of minutes. Nothing to it, easy peasy. So now we're going to give you the before and after on the exhaust replacement.
Please remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Links to my Facebook page and Instagram will be in the description, as well as a few others. Thanks again for stopping by.